Happy Sunday, setters. As usual, I'm going to give you my plan for next week trading opportunity. Remember, Sunday I spent 2 hours to scan through the whole market. But however, Monday is the day that I let the market settle. So most likely I don't take many trades on Monday, and then we analyze the market, see how it react, and then plan for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. As usual, I'm going to start off with the S&P 500. Okay, you can see weekly is getting very tired. You can see the last 2 weeks price action is a lot smaller. The week before was a doji, now is potentially a high test bar. Okay, on that. Dropping down to a daily, you can see price is going kind of sideways. Yeah, it kind of push up a little bit, but very weak. And one thing I want to show you guys, another indicator that I use is called advanced decline line, so ADL. All right, through here, it tracks the stocks within S&P 500. The price, the indicator shows that the stock is actually dropping, but the index is kind of trying to push higher, so it's showing a divergence in there. Something another weakness sign on that. Not saying that price will drop too much. I'm actually looking to something like in this area, like a double bottom around the 4,630 area. When price come back to this level, I'll drop down to a smaller time frame to look for a change of trend to go long again. I personally think we are going to have a very bullish finish for indices. Reason being is I want to show you something that I've been spending most of my time this weekend, is to look back at history, what it looked like in history. So 2017, I go to that area there. You can see 2017 prices is going higher and now quite close to around this area. Consolidate a little bit and pops higher until January 2018. Okay, the behavior through here looks quite similar to the current price action right now. Okay, so if you want to go back to have a look at the history, you can go back to 2017 around November time just to compare yourself. But this is what I'm seeing at the moment. So currently could have a very strong bullish move until end of January. We may see a correction. Okay, but we'll analyze that closer to the time. Another pair that I like to have a look is the Nasdaq. Let's go back to current time. Right, weekly is trying to break this resistance channel. Okay, daily is in an awkward area. Okay, is it a fake out trying to break? We don't know. I personally like to see it drop back to the 16,000 level, made a base, and then go again. I think it will break through, so watch out on that. Same thing again, the advanced decline line showing the stock within the Nasdaq is actually dropping rather than going up, so it's showing a divergence in there, so another weakness. So short term, I'd like to see a pullback on the indices before I will consider to go long again. If you look across other indices, I'll go back to my chart now. Dow Jones Industrial is actually showing weakness already. Daily's already gone back to phase 2. If this level, the 35,400 doesn't hold, I see it dropping down to 35,000. So the monthly pivot area will be somewhere that I'm looking at. Okay, that's the area that I'll be looking at. Moving on to Russell, quite close to support area. Obviously, when it broke out this channel area, I'm looking to go long again around this area, the 2,300 area, something like that. So around this area, I will be looking 2,315, 16. Look for a base and go long again. I'll pick the best indices to go long anyway. I won't take long on all the position, okay? Moving on to... I'm going to move on to Forex now. Very simple. I will start off with the dollar index, okay? Dollar index, like I said last week, is we want to be a buyer because look at this. It smashed through this very, very important, I think it's 94.80, 94.60 area, okay? Now it's smashing through, cleanly broke through 2 weeks. If you go to daily, you can see price is broken through here. Now, potentially we can just make a base around the 95 area, the 20 EMA, so shallow retracement, and then go long again on dollar, which is the best pair to buy dollar with, probably euro. So again, now it's at the base at the moment, so low shallow pullback back to around the 114.30 area, the 20 EMA, okay, but usually it takes a few days to turn around anyways, but so we'll watch it on euro dollar. Euro dollar is on my list to sell. Short term, I may consider to, you know, if you follow last week, I did take a trade on dollar CAD and profited from it. Now it's back to this neckline area from previous head and shoulder, now on the neckline area. However, this is quite strong. I would have preferred this to continue, but now it's this. All right, so it's very, very strong price action. I wouldn't be very optimistic on the target. What I like to do is using a very small time frame, like hourly or under. I draw a very significant level through here. You can see that was the support, that was the resistance area. So below the 1.259 area, so something come down in here, break below, come back for a retest, yes, then I'll take it down to 125, something like that. So maybe a 2-1. That would be something that I will be keeping a close eye on tomorrow afternoon or Tuesday. Okay. What I don't want to do is get into a trade on Wednesday. Something that I will share with you guys is a website called Forex Factory. You can see a lot of news from that. News can impact volatility in the Forex and indices market. On Wednesday, there's a lot of news around, okay? So you can see there is the bank of, perhaps I might have to change the, let me change that to a blue color. Bear me a sec. So you can see Kiwi, New Zealand dollar, the Bank of New Zealand is having the interest rate news over there. So try to avoid trading it on Tuesday, late Tuesday. Okay, it's not top of my list to trade anyway. Quite a lot of news for the US in the afternoon. Okay, the PCE price index, etc. Also at 7 o'clock night time, UK time, there's a FOMC meeting, and we all know that when FOMC meeting that will create volatility into the market. So if I'm going to take a trade on dollar CAD, it will be on the afternoon, Tuesday, around this area. Okay. If tomorrow we see like this and Tuesday come to this, I will take the trade through here and then I'll lock entry before the meeting, just in case. Okay. If we go down. If it doesn't kick me out, that's fine. Anyway, it's part of trading. My main job is to protect my capital, but be aware on Wednesday that is some news event for US and US indices. Okay, moving on to the pair that I'm mainly focusing on is dollar yen. Right, Dollar yen is weekly, you can see is very bullish. This area 114, 114, 115 area is very significant. All right, try to be here, bounce off a few times now. If this area broke through, we have clear room up to 118 area. Okay, so there's two options really. You can wait for a break, come back, take the higher low through here to go long. That's option one. However, as we are expecting a dollar phase two, so I expect to see a bit of yen strength as well, the dollar yen strength. So I'll be keeping my close eye around the monthly pivot area here, which is around the 11345. Oh, sorry, 11324 area. Look for a smaller pattern, go long, take some profit through here, lock my entry or something like that, and then let it run. So I like to catch this inverted head and shoulder. So I'm looking at this 113 area for the minute. Okay. Commodity. I don't like a lot of them. I don't like the goal where it's doing commitment of traders caught data is not supporting a buy. Weekly is back to resistance. Daily, is it gonna break through? Maybe. I mean, I see a breakthrough, but fail at 1900 anyway. So it's not on my list to trade gold whatsoever. Maybe if it bounced to this 1800, maybe I'll take it long through there. But let's see in December time. Oil. We're seeing some heavy selling on Friday. Friday was trying to. We are on a daily downtrend now. So okay, this bar here is quite strong selling. So if this 75 level doesn't hold, I see it dropping down to 70, around 70, the 200 EMA area. Okay, I will consider to go long. Okay, but I will take some profit around the 76. Okay, on that. So maybe a short-term trade near of the time. Momentum wise, you want to sell it, and if you want to sell it, yes, maybe look for retest. You could sell it down to here, but yep, I will see how it develop in Monday, Tuesday. It's better to drop down to 3-4 hours to let it drop a bit lower first. Okay, on that. And take it down to 70, maybe 76 in that area that I'm looking at for short-term trade down. But longer-term picture is still bullish. Remember, I said bigger time frame provide direction. And weekly is still on a uptrend, so it could be just setting up in a weekly high low and go again. But this trend has been going on for a while now, so I don't expect that will continue so much higher. Let's see, we'll take off this high first, but short term, yeah, definitely some money to be made around this area. I will update you guys on the crypto market sometime tomorrow. Some interesting development. In fact, I already gone back in some of the smaller coins because Bitcoin failed on quickly touch base. Bitcoin failed to break lower to 53. You can see gone to around, I said around 53, 55. It gone to around 55, 400, and then now it's showing a bit more momentum in this end. Okay, if you see it in 4-hour trend, you can see we are already making a higher low here. I like to see it break above the 60, cleanly break above 60k, this trend line here, then yeah, we'll should be good to go. So very important. But I will update you guys more tomorrow on what other coins that I'm looking at. As usual, if you have any question about the market, drop us a comment. Otherwise, talk to you guys soon on Tuesday. Thank you.